Hey, what's happening guys? Mike here. Welcome back indeed to another episode of Strand and Thread. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Maymax, which is a global watch company that has footprints in the USA, Australia, and the rest of Europe. Currently, they have one model on option, which is the Hampton model, but they have it in 4 variations. The variation that we'll be taking a look at is the black and rose gold option. But before I share with you my thoughts, let's take a quick overview on what this watch has to offer.
This particular timepiece features a Japanese quartz movement. It is made from stainless steel and features a face of 38 cm in diameter with hardened crystal mineral glass. The strap is made from genuine leather and is 18 mm wide. It's also good to know that this watch keeps time and the date.
So this watch was given to me in this quite slim looking sleek black box. I must say that when you open it up, the box is quite, I've seen better, I must say. But yeah, it's just very understated and the watch is inside. Because if it wasn't, then why would I be doing this review? Now I really like clean minimalist design and this watch is just that. I chose the black and rose gold option because my wardrobe features a lot of neutral color palettes, blacks and grays, and this watch would just go really nicely with those kind of aesthetic, that streetwear urban vibe. And I like how the rose gold just pops off the black leather strap. The Hampton model across all 4 variations retails at $119 US, but check on their website every now and then, they do have specials to get at a more affordable price. So, who is this watch for and who is it not for? Well, if you consider yourself a watch hobbyist or enthusiast, then I'm going to say that this watch is not for you. However, if you like me, you want something more affordable price point, then this watch is going to be a good bet. Personally, for me, I need a watch to tick 2 categories. Firstly, it needs to be able to tell the time. That's pretty obvious, right? And secondly, it needs to really work well with my outfits and needs to finish off my outfits. If I style myself really nicely, I think a watch as being accessory can really just finish off the outfit and enhance it. And this is what this watch does for me. I am in a scenario where I'd rather have more watches at affordable prices so I can change it up every day, wear something different. But I understand why some of you just want your Rolex or whatever, your Seiko, and wear them every day. So opinions can differ here, guys. But in conclusion, I'm really happy with this watch. When I first got it, due to it being genuine leather, it did sit a bit askew on my wrist. But now after a week or 2, the leather becomes supple and it really molds across my wrist nicely. At 38 mils, this is just really good for my wrist, really complements my somewhat slender wrists. Some call it feminine, I call it slender. But yeah, I'm happy with it. It's done me wonders, nice and lightweight on the wrists. If you want to know more about this watch, take a look at the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you all next time.